In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from a bicycle to a car on Uber Eats. Whether you're looking to expand your delivery options or simply need a change to suit your schedule, following these steps will get you on the road driving a car instead of cycling with ease. Firstly, head over to the Uber Eats app on your device. Once you're in the app, you're going to look for the three horizontal lines in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. This is going to open up the main menu where you have access to various settings and options related to your account. Clicking on these lines will drop down a menu. From here, find and tap on the Help option. The Help section is a valuable resource, offering solutions and guidance on many features of the Uber Eats app. In this case, it's where we'll find the settings to change your vehicle type. Once you've opened the Help menu, look for the Driving and Delivering section. This section is dedicated to all things related to your delivery vehicle and methods. Go ahead and tap on that to enter. Inside the Driving and Delivering section, the next step is to select Account and App. This is where you'll manage your account settings, vehicle, and any updates related to the app itself. Now, to make the switch from bicycle to car, you need to find and click on Updating your vehicle. Here, Uber Eats provides details about adding, removing, or changing information about your delivery vehicles. Move on by selecting Add, Remove, or Update a vehicle. If you've ever switched vehicles before, you may recognize this part, but if it's your first time, don't worry, it's straightforward. Once you're ready to make changes, find the option for Edit a Vehicle on My Account. Here you can enter details related to the new car you'll be using for deliveries. Entering accurate information is key, so double check everything you input. This might include your car's make, model, and other specifics required by Uber Eats. After entering all the necessary information, click Next. This is a confirmation step ensuring that everything you filled out is ready to go. It's always wise to give your details one last look to make sure everything's spot on. And finally, you're going to click Done. This concludes the process and saves your information. Congrats, you've successfully updated your delivery method from a bicycle to a car on Uber Eats. This update not only simplifies your delivery process, but can also open up more opportunities for deliveries that may span longer distances or require quicker travel times. Always make sure to adhere to Uber's vehicle requirements and drive safely. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, Uber's help resources or customer support are there to assist you. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new journey with Uber Eats.